Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the graphics settings on the Destiny 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Destiny 2 game on your device and complete through the basic tutorial levels, after which, when you tap on the escape button within your keyboard, you will see the open settings menu. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you will see various different options. Go ahead and tap on video, and now you will see various different video features that you can change within your game. You can change from window or full screen mode, and you can also define your resolution. You also have the option to choose your preferred VSync or FPS option, and you can enable or disable frame rate capping. You also have the option to define your field of view, followed by the screen bounce as well as the brightness settings. Now within graphic quality, you can simply click on the drop down menu and choose from the low to highest preset. If your system allows it, then tap on highest and make sure that the VRAM usage is at least less than 75% of the total VRAM that you have available. After choosing all of your settings or choosing a preset that is available and supported by your system, you also have the option to enhance the render resolution. If you increase this, then this will also increase the load on your graphic unit. Make sure to read through all of these instructions carefully before you change any setting. After you have made your desired changes, tap on the enter button or click on apply changes, and now tap on the confirm button to confirm your changes that you have made. And once you have made your desired changes, you can go back to your game, and you will notice that all of the options that you have set for your graphics will now be updated without the game restarting at all. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your graphic settings on the Destiny 2 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.